Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to layer vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. First, begin with a clean canvas. Gently cleanse your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures your skin is ready to absorb the beneficial ingredients. Pat your skin almost dry, leaving it just a little damp to help with product absorption. Next, it's time for your vitamin C serum. Dispense a small amount, typically 3 to 5 drops, onto your fingertips. Gently press and pat the serum evenly across your face and neck. Give it a moment, about 1 to 2 minutes, to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step. Now, apply your hyaluronic acid serum. Remember, hyaluronic acid works best on slightly damp skin, so a quick spritz of water or a toner can be helpful. Apply 2 to 3 drops and gently massage it into your face and neck. This powerful humectant will draw moisture into your skin, plumping it up. Finally, lock in all that goodness with a good moisturizer. This step creates a barrier, preventing moisture loss and enhancing the effects of your serums. During the day, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to protect your skin from sun damage. Consistency is key for radiant results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.